Elbows bend, power ends. Many coaches use this cue to teach athletes to keep their elbows straight like steel ropes in order to complete the pull. Every so often we see an athlete which has an early arm bend. What this means is as the athlete's pulling the weight from the floor and passing the knees, they begin to bend their arms slightly to finish the pull. While most times this is incorrect, there are a few times where it could be valuable to an athlete and acceptable. The first two videos we will show you is when it is not correct and when it can be harmful to that athlete and the acceleration on the bar. In the first video, we will show the athlete pulling off the ground. As they pass their knee, they begin to almost upright row the bar with their elbows because they're trying to get it into what they call their pocket position right here. And this is incorrect. The reason this style is incorrect because the athlete is here, they begin bending their elbows and they start pulling themselves to the bar and then get into this awkward position where they have to finish the pull from here and many times pushing the bar outward in order to receive the weight. The next video will show you another time when it's incorrect, and this video happens more often than not, is when the athlete pulls off the ground, bend their elbows slightly coming off the ground to get it into their power position, but as they finish the pull from the power position, watch how the elbows re-extend. So what happens here is the bar has created an acceleration. So throughout here the bar continues to accelerate, and then at the power position is when it should reach peak acceleration, right? But if you notice, the bar almost stops in place because the elbows are bent here and then they have to re-extend throughout the course of the jump phase. So therefore you're not able to put as much energy into the bar because the energy is taken out through the elbows and then transferred through the bar. So again, this would be an incorrect time of the elbows bending throughout the course of the pull. So when is it correct to have an early arm bend? The only time it would be acceptable is if the elbows bend and the athlete is able to keep that same bent elbow throughout the course of the pull, therefore not decreasing the velocity or the acceleration on the bar. Here's the example. The athlete pulls with the bent arms, keeps the bent arms, finishes the pull with the bent arms, and completes the lift successfully. At this point, the athlete does not lose acceleration on the bar because the elbows do not extend again. They are continually bent throughout the course of the pull and into the reception. So again, another video that illustrates this right here is the athlete bends with the elbows, finishes the pull with the bent elbows, and receives the weight. So therefore not losing any acceleration on the bar to complete the lift.